What is going on, YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I want to talk a little bit about Lucid Group Incorporated. This is ticker symbol LCID because they are a very hot topic, a very popular stock in the stock market today. They are up around 8.5%, as you can see here. They started the day right around 24.50-ish, and right now they're sitting at 26.40. Been kind of a crazy day. They've gotten as high as over $28. Kind of cooling off a little bit, but still being up over 8% in a single day is kind of crazy. And the big thing here is this is the first day that this stock is actually existing. We're going to be talking a little bit about what went down, what's going on, what the future has in store for Lucid, and why people are so interested and excited about this play as well. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. That'd be awesome if you helped. With that being said, here we go. So we have this article from investorplace.com, LCID stock, 15 things to know about Lucid Motors as it begins trading on the NASDAQ today. LCID is now trading on the NASDAQ exchange today after completing its merger with Churchill Capital Corp IV. So this was a SPAC. This is how LCID came in. It's not an IPO or anything like that. They did go through a SPAC merger to get listed today under this LCID ticker. So that's kind of interesting to note there. That's why this is so kind of interesting, exciting, and such a big deal. So Lucid Motors went public via merger with Special Purpose Acquisition Company, SPAC, Churchill Capital Corp IV. With the merger complete, CCIV switched over to the new LCID stock ticker. This also saw the shares delist from the New York Stock Exchange and move over to the NASDAQ. The SPAC merger provided Lucid with $4.4 billion in funding. Obviously a big deal. Obviously a large chunk of money that hopefully they'll be able to do some exciting things with. We will have to wait and see. The company is a manufacturer of electric vehicles, EVs, obviously right now in 2020 and in 21 and in 2022 most likely. EVs are a very hot topic. They are seen as the future by many people, but also with Tesla stock exploding the way that it has over the past couple of years, everybody is looking, at Tesla, but everyone is also looking for who that next Tesla is gonna be, that next EV stock that really explodes, that starts putting up insane numbers, that really makes people a ton of money. I mean, Tesla made so many millionaires over the last couple of years. People want to recreate that. Now, is that going to happen with any of these stocks? Is that going to be NIO? Is that going to be Lucid? Is it going to be Nikola? Who knows? But, I mean, it's probably more unlikely than not. But that's what people are going to be looking for. That's what people are interested in. And again, many people expect a huge growth in the future for electric vehicles. There's going to be a huge market cap, a huge market share for all of these companies to be able to gobble up a huge consumer base. So it's a chance for a ton of people to make a bunch of money, but some of these companies will ultimately succeed. Some of them will ultimately fail, crash and burn. So it's going to be a crazy next couple of years, but that's at least why people are so excited about LCID, because there is so much potential in this space. I mean, EVs are just like a big buzzword right now. Maybe not as much substance, but it gets people going, it gets people excited. So, Lucid Motors note that it already has more than 11,000 paid reservations for their EV. This also does include Lucid Air, which is scheduled for the release in the second half of 2021. The company is also boasting that Lucid Air will offer up more than 500 miles of travel per charge. That would be good. The batteries are also able to reach 300 miles of charge within 20 minutes. To go with that, it also features max horsepower of 1,080. It can go from 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. So they're making some big claims here. But there's also a lot of people who are very skeptical of this, because with big claims, they want to see it actually backed up. They want to see it actually happen. They don't want to see you say how good these cars are, or how many cars you're going to be able to produce, or how good the battery is going to be, or how good they're going to drive, or how fast they're going to be, or whatever. People want to actually see it, because it is so much easier to say what's about to happen than to actually do it. So that's why people are excited, because they're making big claims, but that's also why there are a lot of skeptics. There are a lot of people staying away from this one, a lot of people who are going to be looking to short it, a lot of people who are going to be looking at puts. We'll have to wait and see. There's really going to be some strong players on both sides of LCID for sure. The customers will have to pay a pretty penny for the company's EVs. The company notes that Lucid Air starts at $69,900, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, like Tesla's, people pay that much because they've seen them. The brand is luxurious. hilarious. The cars are sweet. The cars have amazing technology. But to just be shelling out $70,000 for something that doesn't have the brand name of a Tesla, doesn't maybe have the quality and features of a Tesla, maybe doesn't have the technology of a Tesla, that's going to be a tough sell, and that is definitely something that's putting me off to LCID. Peter Rawlinson leads Lucid Motors as its CEO and CTO with over 30 years of experience in the automotive industry. That includes working at Tesla as its vice president of vehicle engineering and chief engineer of the Model S. So they have a big name with some big experience. People are excited. It's going to be interesting. Again, this is the first day of this LCID ticker symbol trading. So far, so good, up 8.5%. But we'll have to see what this does over the next couple of months, over the next couple of years, after some earnings reports come in and we can kind of dive in more of the numbers of this company. Should be interesting. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about LCID? I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.